Hello everyone. After we create an account on DigitalOcean.com, we'll use a VPS on this site. If you haven't set up payment yet, go to the billing section. Then you click the Add Payment Method button. We'll just follow the instructions. Here, I will pay with a Visa card. After you successfully add your payment card, go to the Compute section and select Droplets. Then you click the Create Droplet button. This is the VPS configuration interface. There will be many different packages. I'll choose the cheapest VPS package. I would choose New York as the data center. Depends on your visitor's location. For the OS, I would choose Ubuntu. And here I'll choose version 22.04. This is one of the more stable versions of Ubuntu, and there are more tutorials available. When you're first getting started with VPS, I recommend using the cheapest plan. When your website gets more traffic, we can upgrade it. Please follow my instructions. We will select the password option. Next, we'll create a password. You should choose a password that is easy to remember. Of course, the password will follow their established standards. This is the password I've created. Next, I'll copy this password and save it somewhere. Select the options marked as free. Be sure to look for the free label. Otherwise, you'll end up paying extra. The cost won't stay at $4 anymore. It'll be higher than that. Next, let's give it a name. I'll call it Ubuntu 22.04. Let's review the optional settings. Once you've reviewed everything, click the Create Droplet button. We'll wait a moment while the VPS is being created. This is the public IP address of the VPS that we'll be using. Now, copy this IP address and then open PuTTY. If you don't have PuTTY installed yet, you can download it from PuTTY.org. This is the PuTTY application. In the hostname field, paste the IP address and leave the default port set to 22. I'll paste it again. In the Save Sessions field, I'll name it Ubuntu 22.04 and then click the Save button. Click Accept. In the Login as prompt, enter root. Next, copy the password. Next, go back to PuTTY and right-click to paste the password. This is okay. We've successfully logged into the VPS via SSH. Type logout to exit. Now, let's log back into the VPS. Click on the Ubuntu 22.04 session we saved earlier, and then click the Open button. At the Login as prompt, enter root again. Then type your password using the keyboard. Don't worry if you don't see anything on the screen. PuTTY doesn't display passwords as you type them. And we've successfully logged in. If you're using Windows 10, you can use the built-in PowerShell application. Please visit hotdewaymusic.com. Then, search for SSH and select this article. Next, copy this command. It works on both Mac OS and Linux. Go back to PowerShell and right-click to paste it. I'll copy it again. Remember to right-click. Replace the IP address with your own IP address. I'll also copy the password and right-click to paste it into PowerShell. This is much faster because you don't have to type everything manually. We've successfully logged in using PowerShell. For Windows 7 and Windows 8, you'll need to install PuTTY to connect to the VPS. However, if you're using Windows 10 or later, there's no need to install PuTTY. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Visit howtomusic.com for more Linux-related content and tutorials.